Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll share how I save my patterns made in Procreate for print-on-demand sites like Spoonflower. So in this example you can see I have all the original layers here. My file size is 3600 by 3600 pixel at 300 dpi, which works good for me. Always check the size requirements of the POD site that you are using. So at this stage, if I want to create more colorways or make any recoloring, then I'll do that. You may not have followed the exact steps like me to make the pattern, but I would always suggest to separate your layers by color if you can, because later you can easily recolor it. And also always remember to duplicate your original layer before making any changes to it. I draw my patterns at 300 dpi and that works fine for me. But if you want to be extra safe, you can also draw them at 600 dpi to ensure high resolution. But this will also depend on the size of your iPad, because the more the dpi, the less layers you will get to draw. So keep that in mind. Now I like to save my patterns in the original scale that they were created and also in a smaller scale. I have shown how to get a smaller scale in these videos where I show how to create a repeat pattern in Procreate. So do check these videos if you want to know how to do this. If you have multiple colorways, then prepare all your files in this way. Since I am saving this for Spoonflower, I know that they accept both JPEG and PNG file. So I'll now tap on Share, then tap on JPEG and then tap on Save to Files. I've created a folder on my iPad to save such files. So I'll just name it here and then tap on Save. I'll repeat the same process with other colorways and the original scale also. Now after saving, I'll upload the designs to Spoonflower, which I have shown in this video. So do check out this video if you want to know how. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in 2024. Bye.